We've tried a lot of smart glasses at CES this year, but the RayNeo X3 Pro were hands down the most impressive glasses we tried at CES 2026. From always-on AI to real-time translation and one of the most intuitive AR interfaces we've seen yet, these glasses seriously surprised us. What really stood out with the X3 Pro is that they don't feel like a concept or a demo anymore. They feel like a real, usable product. Everything from the display to the controls, and especially the AI experience, felt surprisingly polished, which really stood out compared to many of the early stage AR demos we saw on the show floor. One of the biggest highlights here is the always-on AI assistant powered by Google Gemini. You can ask questions, get contextual info, and interact naturally without pulling out your phone. They also support real-time translation for 14 languages with on-screen text overlays or synced audio, and photo translation that recognizes over 30 languages. This is one of those features that immediately clicks, especially for travel, events, or even just navigating a city. RayNeo is also introducing what they're calling RayNeo AI OS, which they say is the first operating system designed specifically for AR glasses. It's a 3D interactive OS, and you interact with it using your hands, gestures, voice, and even external devices. There's a 5-dimensional tempo control on the glasses themselves that let you swipe and tap, and honestly is one of the most intuitive control systems we've used. It also supports Apple Watch gesture controls, mobile phone air mouse functionality, and full voice control. Navigating the interface felt natural almost immediately, no steep learning curve. Under the hood, the X3 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1, and it uses binocular, full-color micro-LED displays. You get what looks like a 43-inch display from about 2 meters away, floating right in the center of your vision. Resolution is 640 by 480 with a 30-degree field of view, and a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, which is huge for outdoor visibility. This display was bright, sharp, and easy to read even on a busy show floor. The glasses also have a front-facing 12-megapixel camera, letting you take photos and record videos directly from the glasses. You can access apps like TikTok, Instagram, and WhatsApp directly through the AR display. There's also built-in apps for navigation, a teleprompter, music playback, camera, and photos, which make these feel way more complete than most smart glasses we've tried. We were told you can get around 5 hours of casual use, which is a huge improvement over the roughly 30 minutes we were told at CES last year, though it's still an area we'd like to see continue to improve. They're also lightweight at 76 grams, and they look slightly less bulky than something like the Meta Display glasses. And you can actually buy the RayNeo X3 Pro right now. They're priced at $12.99, but there's an early bird price of $10.99 that ends in just a few days. RayNeo also showed us a prototype version with a built-in eSIM and 4G connectivity, which would allow the glasses to work independently from a smartphone. That's definitely something we're excited to see more of in the future. If this is where smart glasses are headed, things are about to get really interesting. Let us know what you think and stay tuned because we're hoping to spend more time with these soon.